yes. Mudah-mudahan. Go. Sudah melesat. Go. Ya, panjang.
Dan yang kami hormati semua para penyelenggara beserta Ibu kehadirat Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Tuhan Wirapraja hari ini dimulai diberikan kemenangan oleh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Marilah segenap hati.
Tahun 2023 Korem 032 Bapak Ibu bersama
Salam mabrur. Terima kasih. Sebutan
luar biasa, sangat luar biasa. Mudah-mudahan
Dari Offroad pertama Bapak Arif Pamuji. Ya, sekarang juga Bapak Bupati Raja sana.
I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons cry, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world's too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
Iya, jangan direm Surya, hajar saja. Kalau perlu dibalik-balikan mobilnya. Oke, kita lihat sementara di atas di SS1 sudah ada Hendra dengan nomor lambung 28. Berputar-putar, awas, hati-hati. Agak kencang sekali jeli. Ya, hampir terjatuh, hampir saja. Oh, tidak jadi. Oke.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around, I feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up on the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't need shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, keep my way to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose your gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Ya, bagaimana Surya?
Bapak Haji. There's no mercy in this righteous, hunger, thirsty persons. in different versions, each do what they best and worsens. Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
sudah berada bersama tim dari PJR Arisika dengan driver Yusuf dan menggunakan dia. Apakah akan mencatat waktu setelah dari Wirapraja dan sebagai sebelumnya dia sia-sia kelas SSA Wirapraja 2023 bersama Omin dan sudah memasuki arah belakang. Cukup sulit tadi untuk